Welcome to Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix LiftMaster Error Code 41 at the excessive close force issue.
Fix 1. Check for obstruction. Step 1. Inspect the garage door tracks for dirt, debris, or objects. Step 2. Remove anything blocking the path. Step 3. Try closing the door again. Fix 2. Check door balance. Step 1. Pull the emergency release cord to disconnect the opener. Step 2. Manually lift the door halfway and release. Step 3. If it falls, the springs may need adjustment by a technician. Fix 3. Lubricate the moving parts. Step 1. Use garage door lubricant on rollers, hinges, and tracks. Step 2. Wipe off excess grease or dirt buildup. Fix 4. Reprogram force settings. Step 1. Press and hold the Learn button until the LED turns off. Step 2. Reprogram your opener following the setup instructions. Open, close cycle. Step 3. The opener will auto-adjust force limits. Fix 5. Check the safety sensors. Step 1. Make sure both sensors are clean and aligned. Step 2. Both LEDs should be solid. Step 3. If blinking, adjust the alignment until both lights stay steady. Fix 6. Reset the opener. Step 1. Unplug the opener for 30 seconds. Step 2. Plug it back in and try again.